Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to each and everyone watching this. And we welcome you to yet another session of a sweet, small 15 minutes of parenting tips from Smart Natives platform. We have in the last few weeks covered the mental, physical, and spiritual health of not only parents but children also, which is very important in these times. Today we are here again with an exciting and a new topic, that of financial parenting. In many Indian families, the topic of money is said to be an adult topic. Okay, in fact, the Indian male does not even talk of money to his spouse, to his wife, leave alone to his children. So, in modern parenting, we find that very unhealthy. And so let me welcome our subject matter expert, Nahid Khan. Nahid, of course, is not new to this platform, and you know her very well. But let me formally take you through her credentials for today. The tables have been turned, and today we will have Nahid speaking on her subject. Nahid, the one thing that we share, both of us, is our army background, and Nahid is an ex-army lieutenant. She has been awarded the Army Commander's Gold Medal as well as the Silver Medal. Post her army life, she joined the corporate world, beginning with ICICI Pru, MetLife, and HDFC. In 2008, she started her yet another innings, a third inning, by opening Smart Natives Child Development Center. She is based in UAE, and she has been a very formidable coach for parenting, not only financial, but also de-addiction of gadgets with children, which is such a major point in today's parents' lives. She has armed herself with various trainings, beginning with Landmark Education Worldwide, and has been trained by Amit Goswami, who was the Nobel Prize nominee in quantum this thing, and she from University of Hawaii in quantum consciousness, and now she is into active pranic healing. So Nahid, welcome, and the tables have been effectively turned, and today I'll be the one who will be questioning you, and I'm very excited to know about the financial parenting. First and foremost, I would like to ask you is, why do you feel that finance or money matters should be discussed in families, and it should be very open? Why do you think it is an imperative or an important topic to be discussed in the families?
Yeah, thank you so much. It was such a heavy introduction. I never expected. I'm very embarrassed also. We could have really, thank you so much. But here, like more than my introduction, I am very excited about the topic which is here. That is why I'm ready with my specs, and I'm ready with all my action, and being into small children's world. So I will have all my examples which are very personal to me. But before I start, my dear friends, each one of you, I understand that today more than money, I'm going to talk about money to parents and about children. How do we teach money? But more than money, I understand that your time is so valuable, which at present you are watching us and you are investing your time here. So I am really humbled, and my all thanks. And I would like to start the journey of this new learning with something which is written here. It's, dear God, thank you for everything. This is, I see that I keep this in front of me, because at times my life is also a roller coaster. So friends, I would like to first of all create a listening. You have never ever heard about this topic, and this is something which people see, like they think whether it is important or it is not important. So, and this session would be in English, so the people who are looking forward for Hindi, we'll have some translations also. That's my promise to you, which I will be putting here. So, Lakshita Goel, thank you. You are again repeating that, dear God, thank you for everything. And Meeta, I would like you to interrupt me and take the names of the people if you can see them texting anything, because they are with us, and this is like you also know that we are
Yes,
humbled
definitely,
for this.
definitely. We acknowledge everyone who's watching this, and we really appreciate this, and we value your time, and we're going to keep it very short and simple.
Yes, yes, yes. It's 5 minutes. So it is going to be like a TEDx talk, so that we get maximum I can deliver to you. This is the part 1 which is coming, why financial parenting. In the next session, I'll be involving children, and you will be having children sitting here, the teenagers whom we will be talking about, and you will see that really what I'm talking today is actually happening in their life and your life. So what I'm talking is your life, my life. We all are sailing in the same boat. So friends, human beings don't listen. So I want to create your listening, and so that you listen to me newly. Keep your mobile phones aside and let us just 5-10 minutes introspect what Nahid is saying. And you said that I'm a subject matter expert. So here I will correct that I will be a student forever. Good. Like you said, that I am thankful that you are considering me as a person who can present this. I got your acknowledgement and your the intention of saying this. But I am going to be a student ever in my life, and so that same I invite you also. Second thing, apart
Yes,
from
we are
listening, I
lifelong.
request
We are
you-
lifelong learners. Yes.
Yes, all of us, the people who are joining here, they too, something is bringing them here. It is not that it is accidentally happening. This was all destined. We all are connected. And today's session that we are conducting together with the people who are watching this is it was destined. So another thing which I want to create before the session, it is being non-judgmental. What I am sharing is from my personal life, personal experiences. Please have them implemented in your life, because this is not going to take you much. And if that works, go deeper, dive in deeper. If it does not work, it's okay. We have so many things being offered which are not of our interest. So friends, I will start with a very powerful note. What is Corona? We all are dueling COVID, Corona crisis. This Corona crisis is a medical crisis. We all have seen the medical crisis which is happening right now, which will lead further to a financial crisis. This is yet to be seen. That is why today we are discussing this. This is one reason. So let us learn from this medical crisis and be prepared for the financial crisis which is going to come. So today we are going to just talk why. Because if the why is powerful, your how would be very easy. So let us create this why. Just coming 5-10 minutes. So friends,
Wow.
here number 2, we have, it is not that what results we are getting in our life, whether business, whether personal, it is not because of our actions which we are taking on a regular basis or because of the planning. It is because of the impact of many areas on us. Like example, your health is a subject of your nutrition, your exercise, your thinking. Many things play a role, and it overall comes as a health quotient which you are developing. Similarly, it is your life. The quality of life which you are leading is a sum total of many areas. So let me name some areas. So these areas are your financials, these areas are your health, these areas are your personal development. Today the poster which I have put, there is a wheel of life which I have put there, and it takes 1 hour when we really recreate, taking our numbers कि presently मीता का relationship में 0 से 10 में क्या number है. मीता, if you can be quick in this area, if you can just say very upfrontly, then each area has been given, like we can work giving numbers, and then we can like work on that area, having like getting more and like really getting the results as per our desired result. So Meeta, would you like to share like kitna?
All right. So the relationship area, if I'm scoring from 0 to 10, I would say I'm somewhere 8.5, because a relationship is one of the most important aspects in my life. And we have Megha here, and she's saying that is an interesting topic. Yes, Megha, stay with us till the end, and you will really enjoy.
Yes, it's but I have a limited time, and I will stick to the time, so that is there. So see, 3 areas majorly affect us. Meeta, if I ask you quickly, just in 5 seconds, if you can answer, or Lakshita Goyal, you can also answer, and Megha, you can also answer, which is the most precious thing or the area of life for us as a human being? Just one area, if you can mention.
I would say the health of my immediate family, our relationships, our financial health, mental and financial health. Yes.
Hold on. One area. So that is health. You are right. But actually, the survey shows, I'm talking about the survey, it shows that we all deal money. Everybody is out for some business cause or work cause, so that we earn as a materialistic money and we come back home. So this is the first area which we all are dealing. That is why we are discussing financial parenting. And number 2, it is relationships, and number 3, it is health, while it should be the other way out. But here the main point is why we are discussing this is, we say we are human beings, but we are not human beings. Please get this very powerfully, what I am saying. We are human doings. All the time we are doing something or the other, we are engaged. When are we really being human being? Like staying at a silence. We are human thinkers. And if I say, as an example, you all, me included, are mobiles. When I say this, we go to a zero battery, we need the charging, we need upgradation, we need many things. So everybody's child, like you have one mobile of your Apple phone, I have this OnePlus. So every child which you have is unique. So you have to learn this art before going to the child. And why we are discussing this is because here I will share that we all are human beings, so our life is same. So we have some common patterns. So what are the common patterns? I am going to show you very quickly. Our number 1 pattern, if you will see, I hope you can see this. Can we see this? Okay, so let me go here. Meeta, can you see this? It is? Can you see this, Meeta? Meeta, can you see this?
Yes, I can. Parent financial health. Yes, we can.
Yeah, so this is the first pattern, if you all can read it. And the effect is coming that child is not having respect and value for money. And every time the child is expecting some gifts or some shopping, and the child is ready to use things, throw things very quickly and buy new things. And this is one pattern. Then I will come to another pattern. So these are similar if you will go to your life, which I am showing to you, so that you can really introspect that really this is happening. This is another pattern. We all don't discuss price with our children. We think ये तो बच्चे हैं. Child is asked to study, to do focus on his career, to play, not to stress. We parents are earning, and the parent never comes back home and discusses what they did during the day at work, how their work day was. Children don't know. उन्हें लगता है कि पता नहीं क्या करके आए हैं parents. So there is no awareness of monthly expenses. The lifestyle is taken for granted, and the children don't know how to take financial decisions. Even we don't know, and we don't know the difference between need and desire, and even our children don't know. So there is no money management skill with our children. Coming to the third thing, very quickly, we see that we are coming with a mindset. So here the mindset when I am talking, some people are giving regular pocket money, some are not giving. So here, the effect is saving is being stressed a lot, while there are many other aspects also to be stressed. And the child from the childhood is seeing that money is more important than relationships, because quickly one example, the person who is earning is given more attention and like more in the family the space, like if tired of it anything. So here and there are blocks, so we all need to see our blocks also. And I hope we are back. So these are
Yes.
few things that as parents we are programmed, and our programming has happened during the childhood. So now it comes, so many reasons we have why we should have financial parenting studied. I have just given you a 1% glimpse. The 99% is still left, and the people who can really wishful, they can connect with me later. Meeta, we all have a group also. So I think the 99% should be still hidden, and we should have more sessions. Over to you.
Quite true. Nahid, money parent is the process of educating your child on the financial and social responsibilities that come with the money. See, don't worry if the children are not listening to you. Worry that they are always watching you. And Nahid is doing great programs on parenting and financial parenting and de-addiction of gadgets. And I'm a communication coach. You can connect with us on Facebook or our WhatsApp numbers, and you can ask questions regarding this, and we will be having a sequel of the same next time, and we'll keep you updated on that. Nahid, before we leave, any last words for the viewers?
Yeah, actually, I am thankful to the parents who are coming to me. They are texting me, they are joining the group, and they are saying to please involve the children on this platform. And I am doing this last 13 years. I have 1200 plus parents of Smart Natives. They will agree that there were people coming from Arunji, coming from Delhi and training on NLP and Vedic mathematics. There was Sangeeta Raka coming to my school and teaching pranic healing to the parents. So this training, I had always, it was happening offline, and now it is online. It is only that difference. So let us learn together, let us grow together, and the children also being involved in our parenting journey. Thank you so much.
So until next time, we'll see you on the same platform. Goodbye and good night from all of us here.
Thank you.